Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. So this one again, I'm talking about the Gucci belt bag. So I hope you're liking my content. If you are, please hit subscribe. But basically the reason for this video is because I actually have two belt bags and I'll tell you the reason in a minute. But first I'm just going to unbox my latest one with you all. So I'm just going to pop that at the back. So it comes in this bag. It looks lovely. So it is handmade. So they've stuffed it well. This is inside. So it's perfect. Lovely. So this is a size 80. Looks perfect. So it's not on the tightest setting at all. Pop it on. But actually it will need to be loosened to be across the body. Let's give it a little go. Lovely. So it is a bit tight, so I would loosen it a bit more. So my main purpose is to wear it as a belt bag, which is why I got the smallest size, but it's perfect because it's so adjustable. So check out my other video for the full review. So I have two Gucci jumbo belt bags. The reason for this is because, so I got this for £755 and I was debating getting it from other websites that do some like cashback or 10% off. And I had a few websites in mind, but they didn't actually have the 80. So I got it directly from the Gucci website. And then I kept my eye on it just in case it kind of like went down in the sales or anything. But then I randomly saw it for £700 on Gucci. So I messaged them on the live chat option online and said, look, it's gone down in price. Can you just please honor the price difference and save me like £55? And they said no, you would need to like buy it now and return it. Sorry, I had to go, but I'm back now. So basically they said, no, you have to return it. So I was persistent. I asked a few times and they still said no. So then I just said, okay, I will buy it again at £700 and return my one for £755. So some of you might not think it's worth it, but I thought it's £55. So that could go towards like another bag, right? So yes, sold it to me at 700, and I don't know if that was a sale price, like a temporary sale price, or if it was just like a glitch on the website or something, but I ended up getting it for £700, so really cheap compared to, you know, other Gucci bags, and it's a good price bag at the same time. And so yeah, my delivery driver just picked up the first original one today. So a £700 Gucci bag. So I don't know if it would ever like go into the outlet, but I am actually considering, I really want the Gucci kids bum bag or belt bag because it's like smaller, and there is actually one on the website right now which is blue and it's in the same print as the jumbo belt bag, but it's smaller and it's a dark blue, and I do really want that, but it's sold out. And I think it's really popular because it's plain, but I do want like a plain kids Gucci belt bag in the future. So that's what I'm aiming for. So that's what I could put my £55 towards. So thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, just comment in the comments below, and I will probably do like a styling and a bit more in the belt bag because I just love it so much. So thanks for watching.